In this video, you'll learn how to keep your Asana projects private to ensure secure collaboration. This guide will provide you with essential tips and tricks to manage project privacy effectively. Begin by opening the Asana application on your desktop browser or mobile device. Ensure you are logged into the correct Asana account where your private projects are managed. Once logged in, select the workspace that contains the sensitive or confidential projects you wish to secure. Starting in the correct workspace is crucial for applying the appropriate privacy settings. Next, locate the project you want to keep private. Open this project by clicking on its title. Once the project is open, find the project settings menu, which is typically located near the project title. In this menu, look for the option to change the project visibility. Change the visibility setting to private, allowing only invited members to view the project. This step is important as it helps protect sensitive information and maintains a secure collaboration environment. After adjusting the project visibility, take a moment to review who currently has access to the project. You can find the list of members within the project settings. Limiting visibility and carefully managing who can access the project is essential for safeguarding your data. Ensure that only those who need to be involved in the project are granted. Following this, focus on managing members and reviewing permissions regularly. Invite only essential team members or guests to your private project. When assigning roles, ensure that each person has the appropriate level of access based on their involvement. It is also important to remove any members who no longer need access to the project. Regular reviews of member permissions will help maintain security and ensure your Asana projects remain private and well protected. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.